How to change transition limit. So if you want to change your transition limit on Scotiabank, so in order to do this procedure, first thing is you need to connect to an internet service. So the steps or the procedure to change transition limitations at Scotiabank may differ depending on your location or your account type and specific policies of the bank. So to get most accurate, up-to-date information, which I recommend, is contacting a Scotiabank directly through their customer service channel or by visiting the offshore website. So then to change the transition limitation of Scotiabank, first of all, you can reach out to a customer service of Scotiabank through a phone call or email or visit a local branch and then state about the issue and you will be provided with some detailed information. After that, be prepared to verify your identity. After that, be prepared to verify your identity to the customer service representative for security purposes. They might ask you to provide the personal details, accounts, or specific information. So clearly state that you want to change the transition limitation on your account. You may be asked to specify the type of transition you want to adjust the limitations for, such as withdrawal, daily debt, or spending online, whatever from. So, a service representative will guide you through the process of changing the transition limitation. So, this may involve in filling out a form provided by the bank, providing a written request, and after entering all of that information or after submitting the request, read for the confirmation that the changes have been implemented. So then the confirmation might be through a letter, email, or notification through your online banking account to avoid any disturbances or outdated information. So contact the Scotia Bank directly for the most accurate guidance and changing the transition limitations of your account. So that's it. That's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.